Who doesn't love a turtle? We all love turtles. So I have these clam shells. I have these little tiny turtles. I've got my resin mixed. I'm going to color the resin in primarily 2 colors and a teeny weeny bit of one other color. So before I do that, I'm going to clean each shell. See, well, that's okay. I'm gonna clean each shell with some alcohol because they have been lying around for a bit. Get some baby wipe, get that off my finger. Yeah, I can see dust in them already. So just clean them out. That's my favorite. The white ones are my favorite just because it makes the water look nicer. Now for these Trinket dishes, I'm not putting any sand. I'll leave a link to the video that I did before that had a beach around this area, which was also super gorgeous, sweet, adorable, all of the above. But I want these to be like underwater. Just make sure I've rubbed all the alcohol away. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my colors. I've got Bombay's Aqua. Just going to put a tiny drop in for now. I'd rather add more. I can add more and I can't take it out. And Bombay's, give it a shake, Bombay's Turquoise. And finally, Bombay's Blue, but I'll just use a tiny bit of that for depth. And I know I can tell you one thing that's going to happen is in the beginning, these little turtles, oh, you know what? Here's a lesson to be learnt. The first batch of resin I mixed was in a pea soup container and there was something floating about in it. It's probably a bit of split pea. Anyway, so that, and now that was the Aqua. This is the Turquoise. So I just realized, very annoying, my camera had turned off. But anyway, you saw me prepare the shells, mix the color of the resin. Basically what I did was I put the turquoise in and then the aqua around the edge. I've got all kinds of other turtles kind of balancing, and then now I'm going to place my turtles in and submerge them. So, and this one I'd already put in. Oh, I took him out again because I wanted you to see me put him in. He's so cute, that little one. Okay, this one, you can go in the deep end. And I also like this turtle a lot. All right, so I'm gonna give them a torch. And the only other bit you missed really is torch. Like put a little bit of resin in, torch, little bit of resin in, torch, little bit, torch. And then you stand very little chance of having bubbles in because they are trinket trays. So we'll come back in the morning and hopefully have some really, really cute trinket trays. Okay, good morning everyone. These are finished. Got a bit of sand in that one. So there you go, another idea. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.